Screws, tiny tools we meet daily. They hold our world together with unique designs. Also called bolts or fasteners. They work on the inclined plane principle. Circular threads, gradually securing objects. Circular threads, gradually securing objects. Iron, steel, plastic, each with a role. Tiny ones in cameras, glasses, clocks, furniture. Standard ones in TVs, appliances, instruments. Heavy-duty ones in engineering, buildings, bridges, planes, cars. No screws, no functions. As long as there's industry, screws matter. A humble invention, refined over centuries. One of humanity's greatest in practical use. From handcrafted beginnings to automated lines. Tech advances, more types, more uses. Needings complex, special needs. In industry, screws do one big thing, join two parts tight. So their quality directly affects stability, safety. Strict standards, testing. Check strength, precision, corrosion resistance. Different designs. Slotted, Phillips, hex socket, external hex. Different jobs. Connect, fix, lock. Using screws, remember this. Follow proper steps. Avoid too tight to loose. Prevent corrosion, moisture. Lengthen their lives. Screws industrial gems. Simple shape, clever principle. Vitals across fields. Choose quality. Ensure product reliability. Learn more. Harness their power.